Good morning. This video is for the first grade math group, and you guys are going to be working in your workbooks on pages 3 and 4. So let's take a peek at page 3. You might notice that this looks familiar. You have played Three Towers before, only the version that we played at the beginning of the year is different than the version you will be playing today. I am going to read aloud the directions. And in the comments, I will also post the directions on how to play. In the comments, I will also post a picture of a number cube and a dot cube. If you have a printer and can print them out and put them together, great. If not, you can draw your own and put it together on a piece of scrap paper or computer paper, whatever you guys have. Okay, so how to play Three Towers. You are going to need 10 of something. So if you have cubes at home, fantastic. If you have building blocks, you'll need building blocks. If you have Lego pieces, you can use Lego pieces. If you still have those paper squares, the 1-inch grid squares from the fish unit, you can use those. If you have 10 little tiny toys that you can play with, you can use those. So you are also going to need the number cube and the dot cube that I'm going to post in the comments, and 2 different color markers, crayons, or colored pencils. So you pick a color and have a family member pick a color. Okay, this is how we play. Player 1 rolls the dot cube and number cube. So you're going to roll both. You're going to find the total. And you are going to put together that many connecting cubes of one color. But obviously you don't have the color. So you are going to roll the number cube and the dot cube and find the total and put that together. Okay? So if I rolled a 2 and then I rolled 3 dots, 2 plus 3 equals 5. So I would put together 5 things. When you put together your total, you are going to color in that many on the first tower, okay, on page 3. If there are fewer than 10 cubes, you're going to make 1 tower, okay? If you roll more than 10 cubes, you're going to make the tower of 10 and then begin the second tower with the leftover cubes. So if you rolled a 6 and then the dot 6, what is 6 plus 6? 12. So since these are towers of 10, you would color in 1 whole tower, and then you would go to the second tower and color in 2 blocks on that tower. Okay? So then the equation for your first tower would be 10 plus 0, right? Because your partner didn't get to go because you already rolled more than the 10. So it would be 10 plus 0 equals 10. Okay? So player 2 rolls the cubes, finds the total, and assembles that many connecting cubes of a different color, but don't worry about the colors. The player adds those cubes to the unfinished tower of 10, if there is one, and then starts a new tower with any remaining cubes. Okay. You will continue taking turns until you have built 3 complete towers of 10. You do not need to roll an exact number to finish the game. Okay? You are going to work together to show the number of connecting cubes of each color in each tower, and then write the equation to match it. Like I said before, I will post in the comments the directions on how to play this, the number cube, and the dot cube. Okay? Once you're done playing Three Towers, you are going to work on page 4. Page 4, you're looking at pairs of numbers. Remember, pair means 2. And it says, which is larger? Circle the pair of numbers that makes the larger total. So, we've done these before in previous units. What I would like you to do is I would like you to take a look at each pair and write the total either on top of the cards or underneath the cards. That way you can look at the totals and go, oh, this one's larger. So I'll do the first one with you. So number 1, well, actually the first one's already done with you. Done for you. So number 1, it says 8 and 3. And the other pair says 6 and 2. So what is 8 plus 3? 11. So I would write 11 either on top of the cards or underneath the cards. Let's look at the other pair. What's 6 plus 2? 8. So I would write 8 either on top or underneath the cards. Well, which number is larger, 11 or 8? 11. So you would circle that pair of cards. So you're going to do that on this sheet on page number 4.